Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare a mint flavored peanut coconut chutney. This is very tasty as well as healthy and protein rich. This chutney goes very well with idli, dosa and all kinds of variety rice. To prepare this, you need 1 cup peanuts, half cup coconut, few small onions, 2 garlic cloves, 1 small piece of ginger, 3 green chilies, small piece of tamarind, few mint leaves and 1 teaspoon jeera. For tempering, you need half teaspoon each mustard seed and urad dal, pinch of hing, 1 red chilli and few curry leaves, and 2 tablespoon oil. The detailed ingredient list is also written in the description box below. In a hot pan, first dry roast peanuts in medium flame for 5 to 8 minutes. Take the roasted peanuts out in a plate and let it cool. Add oil in the hot pan and roast all the other chutney ingredients. Take the roasted ingredients in a bowl and let it cool. Now separate the skin of roasted peanuts. To the roasted ingredients, add salt as required and the coconut as well. And grind them all together to a smooth chutney. To prepare tempering, add oil in a hot pan and add all the tempering ingredients. Add the prepared tempering to peanut chutney. This chutney goes very well with idli, dosa and all kinds of variety rice. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.